ちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 60 of JLPT N4. In my previous videos, number 58 and 56, we learned meirei-kei imperative form. But today we're gonna learn negative imperative. We say kinshi-kei. Kinshi, this means prohibition. Grammar pattern of kinshi-kei is very easy, really easy. We use jisho-kei after verbs, dictionary form, and we add na. Then this is kinshi-kei. And really good news is there's no exceptions. When you know the dictionary form, then you just add na. Then this is kinshi-kei. For example, ikimasu. This is the verb to go. Then the dictionary form is iku. Then we add na. Ikuna. Ikuna. And this means don't go. But this kinshi-kei sounds really strong and rude. But if we add yo, in the last part, this particle, yo, then it sounds a little bit softer. For example, ikunayo. Don't go. Anyway, women usually don't use kinshi-kei. Men use them, but not women. But it doesn't mean if you're a woman, oh, I don't have to learn this kinshi-kei because I'm not gonna speak never. But not like this, because even women must use kinshi-kei in direct speech. Even when we are talking in keigo, very respectful way, then we can use also kinshi-kei in direct speech, and it doesn't sound rude at all. So even if you are a woman, let's learn this kinshi-kei. And in the next week, we are gonna learn about this indirect speech. Today, you are going to learn lots of interesting verbs that go really good with kinshi-kei. And the sentences are very short because this is the prohibition. Don't do this. So it's very short. Usually, kinshi-kei, this is a prohibition. But sometimes using this yo, the softer, then that can mean suggestions or request. When we don't want to use kinshi-kei because this is too rude, then we can use nai form, naide kudasai. This is polite. Please don't do this. Also, we can use with te form of the verb, then we can say te wa ikemasen. You shouldn't do it. If you want to speak more casual way, then we can omit kudasai. Naide. We can make this sentence te wa ikemasen quite formal, and we want to say informal and casual way, then this part of te wa change to cha dame. And when te form is de, then de wa we change to ja dame. For example, the verb ikimasu, to go. The strongest one, ikuna. Very strong. And the next one, ikanaide. Then also, 行かないでください. Or, 行ってはいけません. We can change to 行っちゃダメ. Te form of the verb 行きます is 行って. So, 行っては I change to ちゃ, 行っちゃ. The verb to die 死にます. Then, don't die. The strongest way, 死ぬな. A little bit softer way, adding this yo. 死ぬなよ. More polite way, please don't die. 死なないでください. More casual way, 死なないで. You can't die. 死んではいけません. The most casual way, 死にます and te form is 死んで. Te with ten like this, de. So, de wa, this we must change to ja. 死んじゃダメ. As you see, grammar patterns are very easy. So now I'm going to show you lots of examples. I'm going to show you kinshi-kei, this rude way, and also very casual way. Don't touch. The verb to touch. 触ります。触るな。触るなよ。触っちゃダメ。Don't move. Freeze. The verb 動く、動きます。This is the intransitive verb to move. 動くな。動くなよ。動いちゃダメ。To panic, to haste, to freak out, to be flustered, to lose your cool. 慌てます。慌てます。Don't panic, don't haste. 慌てるな。慌てるなよ。慌てちゃダメ。Don't raise your voice. Big voice or the voice with lots of volume. 大声。大声 with 点々。大声を出すな。大声を出すなよ。大声出しちゃダメ。Don't smoke so much. そんなにタバコを吸うな。そんなにタバコを吸うなよ。そんなにタバコ吸っちゃダメ。Don't take pictures. 写真を撮るな。写真撮るなよ。写真撮っちゃダメ。Never forget. 絶対に忘れるな。絶対に忘れるなよ。絶対に忘れちゃダメ。Don't be late. Ever. 絶対に遅れるな。絶対に遅れるなよ。絶対に遅れちゃダメ。Don't lose it. Never. 絶対になくすな。絶対になくすなよ。絶対になくしちゃダメ。Don't cry anymore. もう泣くな。もう泣くなよ。もう泣いちゃダメ。Don't say anything anymore. もう何も言うな。もう何も言うなよ。もう何も言っちゃダメ。Don't use my cell phone without permission. This word, 買って、買って。This is not adjective and this means selfish. And we use this word in many occasions as adverbs. This not adjective, na, we must change to ni, 勝手に. And then this is adverb. 勝手に means on your own, without permission, as you like. Do you know how to say in Japanese, suit yourself? In this case, we use 命令形 imperative form of the verb します、する. In 命令形 is しろ。勝手にしろ。勝手にしろよ。As this is a man speaking my cell phone, so I'm not gonna say 私の携帯, but we say 俺の携帯。俺の携帯。勝手に使うな。俺の携帯勝手に使うなよ。Don't get closer. Don't come near me. Stay away from me. The verb to get closer, to come near. 近寄ります。someplace に or someone に近寄ります。This 近 comes from the E adjective 近い near 近寄るな。近寄るなよ。近寄っちゃダメ。Don't make noise. Don't be noisy. To make a fuss. To make a noise. To be noisy. 騒ぎます。騒ぐな。騒ぐなよ。騒いじゃダメ。Don't shout. The verb to shout. To cry out. To scream. To yell. 叫びます。叫びます。叫ぶな。叫ぶなよ。叫んじゃダメ。Don't let him escape. Chase him. This is like in criminal movies, right? Because this 命令形 imperative and negative imperative is really suit in these situations. The verb to let someone free, to let someone go. 逃がします。逃がします。This kanji, in this case, we pronounce only ni. But many people think this is にが and only します。But no, this is only に you must use がします、にがします、にがす。The reason why many people think this is にが but no, we don't have to use this が because this kanji also we can pronounce のが and のがします。And the meaning is quite similar but different. のがします is to lose, to miss something. For example, I miss a chance. チャンスを逃します。But now our sentence, don't let him escape, then we use with this verb, 逃がします。And the verb, to chase after someone, 追いかけます。追いかけます。逃がすな、追いかけろ。Fear nothing. The verb, to fear, to be afraid. 恐れます。恐れます。何も恐れるな。何も恐れるなよ。何も恐れちゃダメよ。Don't whine. Never say die. To whine, to complain, to vent, to tell someone, I'm not okay. Oh, I can't do this. This is an expression. 弱音を吐く。弱音を吐きます。This 弱 comes from E adverb 弱い weak ね this is 音 sound so weak sound 吐く吐きます this is the verb to vomit so it means to say from the mouth to say something so weak so negative things oh I can't do this no it's not for me I'm not okay this is like 弱音を吐く弱音を吐くな弱音を吐くなよ弱音を吐いちゃダメ hang in there keep it up don't give up the verb to give up 諦めます諦めます諦めるな諦めるな諦めるなよ諦めちゃダメ don't come near me stay away こっちに来るなこっちに来るなよ。こっちに来ちゃダメ。Here I used こっち。This is the same as ここ、そこ、あそこ、どこ。But こっち This is really casual way. Don't worry. 心配するな。心配するなよ。心配しちゃダメ。Sometimes you might hear 心配すんな。Instead of 心配するな。And 心配すんな。心配すんなよ。This is also okay, but this is really casual way. To fool around, to mess around, to play around. ふざけます。ふざけます。Stop kidding me. Stop fooling around. We can hear this expression in animes or some movies with yakuza like this, but this is really rude. ふざけるな。ふざけんな。ふざけるなよ。ふざけんなよ。So it's better not to use this ふざけるな or ふざけんな this kind of things because this sounds really rude. Maybe if you are really mad and so angry and then the fight will begin. Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese using kinshi-kei, this negative imperative form. 1番目 Don't touch with dirty hands. 2番目 Don't go anywhere. 3番目 Don't watch that movie. 4番目 Don't come here again. In this sentence, what I told you again, but we are gonna use this adverb, more. 5番目、最後です。Don't do anything. As you see, you learned a lot of very unique verbs that we usually don't study in Japanese textbook, but were they quite interesting? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it. いかがでしたか？今日は近視形の作り方、そしてたくさんの例を見てきましたよね。近視形はとっても強い表現なので、使うときは本当に注意してくださいね。普通は男の人しか使いません。女の人は近視形で話すとなんかすごく変な感じです。でもだからといって女の人は近視形を勉強しなくてもいいなんてそんなことはないですよ。というのは間接和法を使うときは近視形を使うこともあるんです。それは女性でも誰でも使えます。それは来週のビデオのお楽しみです。今日の例文を考えるとき、できるだけ実際に使っているような例文を本当に頑張って考えましたよ。ですから今まで全然勉強したことがなかった、ちょっと新しい動詞をたくさん学びましたよね。それから映画とかアニメとかでよく近視形が出てきます。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてできれば私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださいね。それから私は皆さんのコメント全部読んでますよ。本当に嬉しいコメントをいただくと私の励みにもなりますから、ぜひお願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのを楽しみにしています。絶対に来てくださいね。じゃあね、バイバイ、またね。